about utility. Utility is the satisfaction we get from consuming a goods or services. Utility is a virtual concept. Generally, utility is the level of satisfaction which cannot be measured. But economists assume that utility can be measured cardinally and ordinally. Economists do these assumptions for simplicity of the discussion of theory of utility and the consumer behavior. Let's come to the definition of utility. Utility is the power of satisfying wants of a commodity. Utility is the want satisfying power of a commodity. The consumer wants to buy that commodity in which she gets utility. Generally, utility means the satisfaction we get from a commodity. For example, when a person consumes an ice cream, he gets satisfaction. The ice cream has the power to satisfy the wants of the consumer. Thus, we can say the person gets utility from an ice cream. Let's have a glance on the properties of utility. Utility is a very subjective concept. Utility is not equal to usefulness. Utility is ethically neutral. And the last one is utility is anticipated satisfaction. Property number 1. Utility is subjective concept. Subjective means person specific. Utility is person specific. Means utility is different for different people. For the same commodity, a person gets more utility than person B. For example, from 1 cup of coffee, Ramesh gets higher utility, higher satisfaction than Suresh gets from 1 cup of coffee. So, utility of a commodity for different people is different. Thus, utility is subjective or person specific. Property number 2. Utility is not equal to usefulness. There are some commodities which has utility but are not useful. Conversely, there are also some commodities which are useful but has no utility. For example, cigarette, alcohol are not useful, in the sense not good for us, but cigarette alcohol has the utility to the addicted person. Another example, medicines. Medicines are the good drugs which are useful, but medicine has no utility for a healthy person. Thus, we can say utility and usefulness are two different things. Property number 3. Utility is ethically neutral. Ethical means morally good or correct. As earlier we discussed, cigarette, alcohol are not ethical, but as cigarette gives utility to persons, so it will be countable in economics. Economics does not differentiate between ethical and unethical goods. So, utility is ethically neutral. Property number 4. Utility is anticipated satisfaction level. Utility is only the thought of the level of satisfaction. Utility is not the actual or real level of satisfaction. Utility is the anticipated satisfaction. It is not realized satisfaction level. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.